everyone. Today we're going to go over how to draw a crewmate from Among Us sneaking around, alright? So let's do it. It's going to be for beginners, by the way, so stay for the whole thing. It's not very long. So we're going to go right here now. We're going to draw a curve. Start with a curve of the lens, okay? So right there. And let's pull that a little bit there. Okay, cool. And then I'm going to go over here and I'm going to stretch it out just a bit. Okay. And then I'm going to go over here and I'm going to curve over here for this side. It's going to look a little bit more round than normal because normally you can see it from the front, but we're looking at it just from the side at this point. Go over here. We're going to merge this like so. Right on. Let's go over here at the top of the head over here. Up. We're going to draw a curve here toward the back. Curve right here. Alrighty. And I'm going to go right here and kind of pretend that this is linking up, right? Just imagine through my mind's eye. Boom. You want to catch it so that it looks like it's tied together, right? We want that. Okay, I'm going to go over here, straight down. All right. Then I'm going to go over here for the front of the foot over here, the leg. So front leg, he's going to be running, right? We haven't drawn his hands yet. By the way, don't forget to open the... it kind of smells in here, so like from this. So make sure you do this in a well-ventilated area. That's very important. I turn on a little fan usually over here. It's not on right now, but I got to turn that on. But, you know, just kind of something to keep in mind. Go over here. Curve down. Curve underneath. Up. And then we're going to go over here on this section, curve for lower body. Right here now we're thinking of the other leg, kind of leaning into that. How is he going to move his leg? His leg is going to be extended out. Okay. We're going to keep pulling down over here so you see the, his general back. Right on, right on. We're doing really good. You're doing really good, all right? Don't worry about it. You just want to get close enough. You don't want the exact measurements and all that stuff. You just want it close. That's kind of what we're aiming for. So as long as you get close, it's all good, right? Line over here down. And then we're going to curve along this side. So doing good so far, okay? You're doing good so far. Gonna go over here now, kind of in the back right there, trying to find the general backpack. Stay with me, by the way, we're almost done. The way I find his backpack, whew, excuse me. Ha! Sorry about that, I didn't get a lot of sleep last night. So the way we find his backpack is halfway between the top and the bottom of the lens. So halfway or so, you want to, in your mind's eye, measure it across. About there, we're gonna find the top of the backpack. Okay. And the bottom of the bag will be somewhere around here, right? Around his keister, meester. Okay. Pulling out a bit over here. Down, curve in. There you go. I love it. I love it. You're doing really good. So we got the general body running. We're going to draw those hands that pop out of nowhere because we want to make him look like he's sneaking around. So over here, this is going to be the toughest part, so stay with me. Go over here, somewhere in the air. We're going to go on a line. It's going to be kind of the end of his finger. Curve down over here. It's the back of his hand, back of the hand. Let's go over here for the other finger. Line over here, down. And down over here. Line underneath, and then curve up. Let's extend the finger on the front over here. That's a pointer finger, just a little bit, right? When I extend it, we're gonna curve that nub of a finger there, and then we're gonna pull it back into the rest of the hand, okay? Go over here, pull it back. You're doing really great, by the way. It's kind of cute, right? Speaking of cute, don't forget, if you want to learn how to draw something cute, let's just say you have a dog or let's say a character you want to draw cute in a cute style. How do you do that? Almost everything cute related is large head, small body, almost everything, and then rounded shapes, stuff like that. So how big would the head be in this imaginary cute character, like this chibi character? I don't know. I'm sorry, I do know. I have that guide. I made that guide. You can use that guide to see how big and how you kind of proportion that. The larger the head, maybe more chibi it is. And it goes through that. It goes through there's a hair right there. It goes through, like how to draw like, cartoon style arms and hands, and gives you choices of that, and gives you choices for feet and legs. This hair will not go away there. But that's how you do it. It's 10 pages, and you can print it, by the way, if you want. It's made to print, or you can just look it out on your phone, and you have this guide forever for you to always use. It's just a visual guide. There's no reading. It's just visual, and it's 100% free right now because you saw this video. So go check that out. It's in the description. Free to download. But I am going to start charging for it in a few weeks, so get it right now. Now's the time to do that. So anyways, let's get back in, and we're going to draw the rest of his hand and finish this off. Okay. So the other hand, we're going to do the same thing. So right here, we're going to draw the other hand. So line up over here for kind of like the thumb, I'm thinking. That's kind of in that section. Line down for the kind of the back of the weird, I don't know, palm wrist thing. Curve over here. Curve line up right there. The knuckle there. Out over here. And down. Line in. And then curve here, like so. We want the thumb to look like it's in front of the rest of the hand, so we're going to draw a line in, like so. And we're going to draw like he's closing the other hand, like here. Like the knuckles are close, so right here we're going to draw a curve right there. Okay? And then curve one more, the same. So like he's sneaking around. So, and that is it, except for one last thing right here. We want it to look like a reflection inside of his visor. So with a thinner line, I'm just going to draw like a U shape. And maybe like a highlight over here, like so. But that's pretty much it. You did it. Share the video. That's the best way to actually, pay back the channel totally for free, of course. Like the free. Absolutely share the video if you can, or say hi to me in the comments section. It, lets me know that you're there and that you made it the whole way through. So say hi. I'll reply to every single comment. Try it even on old videos. I dare you. So we'll talk later. See you soon. Stick around for the next video, by the way. Okay, so that was amazing. You finished this lesson, but keep it going. Keep the art practice going by clicking this video right here. It's going to be within the same theme, and you want to keep it rolling to get better and better and better and get that art flow going. So click right here.